Take two.
Okay.
I got this.
Don't ask me why I have my brother's clothes on.
That's cool. Oh, I missed it to take off. I know, I was looking at you.
I burnt
You're
my leg
pretty.
off.
Did you?
Yeah.
Ah, the smell of skunk and fire.
Pretty sweet.
Smells amazing. Alright, I'm just going to look at it. Because it is what I want. And you know, anytime you want to light it, that's cool. Here it goes! Oh dear, that was nice. That was a nice one. Oh, do we have any more? Hold on. Take the camera. Is this the last one?
Yay.
No.
Yes, it is. Look at all the sticks.
Oh.
Whatever. First try. Woo! Holy shit!
Oh my god!
And they're way too far.
I stopped it. No, I didn't.
No.
I don't know how.
I don't know.